Customer VAT number. If you are a VAT registered company and your customer also VAT registered company, you can enter customer VAT number here. You can select the customer VAT rates. You can set up these VAT settings from company settings and VAT settings. You can add VAT rates and you can select the VAT systems from VAT settings. After you enter the customer VAT number, when you are creating the customer, when you enter the customer invoices, those VAT numbers will display in the tax invoice. You don't want to enter customer VAT numbers manually for every transaction. When you are creating your customer, you can enter the customer VAT number. After that, it will automatically display in all tax invoices.